There is a one direct light and three omni light here. If I want to access to their properties, I can just first I need to know what properties each light has. So I will type show properties and $sign. So all properties you can see here. For example, here I have enable it to turn it on and off, and it is Boolean. So I can just use the selected $sign, point, and enable it equal to false. And now this light is turned off. I can also use its name. So here I can just type its name, sailing tree dot $sign sailing tree dot enable it and true. Now I no need to select this omni light and it's turned on. But I can also use the name of its sets. So lights is one of the standard set of 3D Max, just like the cameras or geometry. I can use the lights here dot multipliers, for example here, and it is a float equal to 5. If I hit the enter, all the lights, their multiplier will be 5. I can just double it like this, multiply to 2. So whatever their value is, it will be multiplied. But it will get a little bit more tricky when I'm using the target lights, because now if I apply it, it will give me the error because this target has a different property. I can still turn it all the lights on and off, but other properties I cannot access just like this. So I can make it false. So all the lights will be off because this target also just have one option, on and off. So we already know the show properties, and let's see the class of the light. The class of the selected object is OmniLight, is just OmniLight, and this one is object set. If I choose the both of them, and if I just choose the cone, is target spot. And the superclass of this target light is light, and superclass of this OmniLight is also light. So let's go to the Max editor. So I will use the loop because the light is a set. So I can use a loop and array for I in 1 to lights dot count 2. So from 1 to the number of the lights as many as exist on the scene do. So if super class of the lights, it will go through all the lights equal to light do, for example, lights two. So I'm going to evaluate it. Sorry, for I in 1. Okay, Control E or evaluate it. So the multiplier of the all lights now become 2. Now I just want the OmniLight changes. So if the class of the light is OmniLight, so change their multiply or other properties that you already have seen to 8. Control E, sorry, OmniLight, Control E, and all the OmniLight become 8, and these are still the same value.